Welcome back, everyone. You're watching CT Style. So our good friends from the Connecticut Beardsley Zoo in Bridgeport, they are back with us. They brought some friends with them. Yeah, Jim Knox is here with the cute overload. I mean, well, he's kind of cute, but I mean the animals that you brought here.
Well, thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Okay.
We have Lilith, who's an eastern screech owl, and she is really, really cute. Good thing she's here today, and she's one of our ambassador animals. She goes out to school. She helps us with programs all the time.
Now, tell us a little bit about where this owl can be found and a little bit of background.
Great.
Beautiful animal.
They're found in every town and city in Connecticut, all over.
Right.
But we rarely see them because they're out at night.
Yeah.
You know, they're nocturnal, and they have this awesome camouflage. It helps them to blend right in with the bark on the trees.
Beautiful. Do you mind turning your hand a little bit? So
I will do whatever we have to get that beautiful shot.
There we
go. Awesome.
That's fantastic.
Gorgeous animal. Look at that. So that's an animal that people can see and experience at the Beardsley Zoo, and we have more.
Yes, we do.
Several of them. And you should mention how appropriately dressed you are, Ryan, zoo staff.
A couple weeks ago, I was a zoo keeper for the day,
Yes.
so now apparently I get this snazzy vest that I wear out when I'm grocery
jealous.
shopping.
It looks
and
great.
You know, people think
And
I'm,
a name tag.
Oh, right, yes.
All right, Jim, what is this?
Okay, so this is Miss Dandelion, and Dandelion is a chinchilla, a rescue chinchilla. If you guys would like to pet her, you may.
Oh, so soft.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hello.
She's beautiful, and she's got
Gorgeous
this
animal.
incredibly dense fur and very, very soft fur. And as I said, she's a rescue. Not a great pet for a lot of people. People try to get them as pets.
Why is
not a
that?
great idea. They live about 20 years.
Oh, wow.
So
That
it's
is
a big commitment.
Long time, huh?
Big commitment. They don't get along well with dogs, cats, or ferrets.
Okay.
And at 4 a.m. when you're trying to sleep, she's on the exercise wheel.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a deal
It's on
breaker.
my schedule, I guess.
Yeah.
So best kept at the Beardsley Zoo, and it's great because a lot of people don't realize, like when I was there as the zookeeper for the day, these guys do so much work behind the scenes, which is really great in terms of taking care of the animals and rescuing. So it's a side of the zoo that people don't really get to see.
Exactly. I'm glad you had a chance to experience it too.
Really neat.
Oh,
All right, so we're doing a handoff over here.
Next?
Gary's doing the chinchilla handoff. There we go.
You're going
Now
over the speed limit here.
Slow down, buddy.
This is Darwin, and Darwin is one of our reptile animal ambassadors. And the reason we have Darwin on today, well, Darwin's certainly very, very cute, but the reason we have Darwin on today is also to talk about our giant tortoises at the zoo, who are equally cute but much, much heavier.
Okay, how much bigger?
How big are they?
They're about 95 pounds heavier.
Oh,
they're about 100 pounds.
wow.
So they're about 100-pounders. They're very large. They're African spur tortoises. They're here with us through the end of September. So we really want folks to come on out and say hi.
Perfect.
Check them out.
And
Fantastic.
we have another animal we'd like to check out.
Oh, yes, we do. Yes,
and
we
I mean,
sure do.
Teresa, when you think about it, you just brought Dante. It's like the perfect place to go with a family.
Oh,
this
he
Sunday,
had such a great time. I mean, he's only 2, and he was able to just really take it all in and enjoy the scenery there. All right.
Giant bunny? Or
this
what?
is, yeah, she's getting bigger all the time. This is Piglet. And Piglet is one of...
eat a lot?
Just a little bit.
Teresa, yeah, you're absolutely right. She does. She got her name for her appetite. She's very sweet. She's a rescue bunny, and if you guys would like to pet her, you can pet her right down her back if you'd like.
Oh,
and so this
very
rescue rabbit is, again, one of our animal ambassadors, and you guys said cuteness overload, and we said we can deliver.
Sweet.
You know?
No doubt.
So she's got a
cute.
great home with us, and she helps kids to learn all about animals.
And our owl friend is still awake down there. She's
Still
still
wants to come back on TV, I think.
Yes, yes.
Getting a little jealous here. Oh, she's adorable. And camp is still going on?
Yes, thank you for asking. Yeah, we have Zoo Patrol going on Monday through Fridays, and I think we might have a slot or 2 open in our last week coming up. And if folks want to come and visit too, we've got our amazing animal adventure shows every Thursday through Sunday, twice a day. Picnic presentations, a lot of great opportunities to learn.
Awesome. Jim, thank you so much for joining us here on CT
Thank you
Style.
very much.
And you can keep the animals here for a little bit. We'll hang out with them.
Sounds
and
good.
You're
hey,
cute
you're a
too,
zookeeper.
Jim. We love you. We love you.
Thank you.
All right, getting